Today we're talking about the top 5 AI tools for the lecture hall. Each is best suited to a specific kind of task. These AI tools for educators will help provide better education for your students and help you leave work before the end of the day. And by the end of this video, you'll have a pretty good idea of where you can start your AI journey. AI tools won't be able to replace you as an educator anytime soon, but they can be extremely helpful when preparing for lessons, especially if you need to do a lot of groundwork like summarizing and structuring information that you already have. And they can significantly speed up any brainstorming or visualization you need for the next lecture. In this video, I will go over 5 basic categories of AI tools that can empower you and your students. They are creating comprehensive slides for your lectures, grading a mountain of papers you probably have on your desk right now and or in your email, reviewing relevant studies in your field, voice-to-notes tools to help you document your lectures, and quickly generating lesson plans for your students. To keep things simple, I'll give you one main recommendation for each category and a couple of alternatives here and there. So let's start with creating slides. My recommendation here is probably unsurprising for those of you who are used to designing things by yourself without an actual design background. It's Canva AI. Canva already provides a lot of really easy, really effective design solutions for almost any type of task. And recently they have entered the AI presentation market as well. It's really easy to generate presentations with Canva, especially if you want to reuse some of the designs you already have from the past. You can either create a document with your lesson topics and convert it into a presentation, or use Magic Design to generate a presentation from a simple 5-word prompt. Canva AI will offer you many different templates already pre-filled with your topic, outline, and sample content. You can then use Magic Write to shorten the text, make it more fun, make it more formal, or change the tone of voice entirely. And if you have the Pro version, you can even regenerate parts of images and use different AI effects. You can also take a look at Magic Slides if you want to quickly turn a YouTube URL, a PDF, and some text you already have into a presentation. And check out Slides AI if you want a Google Chrome plugin assistant that can help you build the presentation in real time, find citations, icons, and stock photos that suit your topic. Now let's move on to some literature review AI tools. AI can really help speed up looking for relevant studies. It can provide a summary of the main points and help you conduct a citation analysis, not to mention access to literature in almost any language. I recommend AskYourPDF. You just insert a prompt with the topic you're researching, and it writes a surprisingly well thought out review for you with the links that lead to actual articles. And you can just take it away from there. For alternatives, you can also check out Genie AI if you want a powerful AI editor that can help you write and cite as you go. Or Inago Read if you need a well-rounded AI-powered reading assistant that can provide critical analysis and find gaps in your logic. Now let's cover voice-to-notes tools. These tools allow you to capture and share important insights from lectures, seminars, and discussions with students by automatically recording, transcribing, and summarizing contents of any conversation. I recommend MeetGeek as one of the reliable solutions here. It can be particularly useful to give to students who may have missed a class or need to review key points discussed during the session. As a professor, you can save a lot of time on manual note-taking and focus more on engaging with the students and delivering high-quality instructions. Or if you improvised a great metaphor, explanations, or had a surprising train of thought during your seminar, you can easily take it out of the transcript and put it in your course or a book. Now let's talk about grading papers and generating lesson plans. Both can be much more context-demanding than our previous use cases and might require you to use multiple AI models for the best results. So I suggest we use a purpose-built tool for professors, like Boodlebox. It's a platform where you can work with several AI models in one chat window, use pre-trained bots, and attach your documents to the chat for context, which will be perfect for dealing with both grading papers and generating lesson plans. For grading papers, there's a purpose-built tool in Boodlebox. It's called Grading Assistant Bot. Just attach the papers you need to grade to the chat, answer the bot's questions about your grading process, and tell it to grade the papers. It's that easy. And you can then stack different bots like GPT-4o and Claude Opus to write recommendations for your students based on their specific mistakes and problems. Or if you want to grade the papers yourself, you can ask Boodlebox to help you quickly generate a special rubric for this specific assignment. It's something we actually have a separate video on, you can find in the description. And when it comes to generating lesson plans, Boodlebox actually has another tool. It's a pre-trained bot called TeachBot Lesson Plan. It can walk you through creating any lesson plan you want, and you can and should attach documents to the chat for more context. We have a separate video about generating lesson plans in the description as well. So that's it. I hope you can start your AI journey with these 5 top AI tools for the lecture hall, save a lot of time, and teach your students valuable skills and knowledge. Tell us in the comments which AI tools you have tried before or are planning on trying first. Drop a like, subscribe, and if you want to learn more about AI in higher education, check out this video right here. See you in the next one.